to Motor Vision, your ultimate destination for the latest updates, reviews, and insights from the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Now, let's dive into today's exciting topic. Toyota is making waves in the EV market, and in 2025, the Toyota c+pod is set to redefine urban mobility. Designed as an ultra-compact electric vehicle, the c+pod is aimed at city dwellers who need an efficient, eco-friendly, and convenient mode of transportation. At first glance, the Toyota c+pod stands out with its futuristic yet minimalist design. With a lightweight body and compact dimensions, thin battery, the c+pod offers a practical driving range that meets the needs of city drivers. Toyota has worked on optimizing the battery life, ensuring that users get maximum mileage while keeping charging times minimal. The vehicle supports both standard and fast charging options, making it convenient for users with different driving habits. Inside, the c+pod follows a simplistic yet functional design approach. The cabin is spacious enough for 2 occupants, with well-placed controls that enhance usability. The digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information, while the connectivity features ensure that drivers stay in touch with their digital world. Toyota has also prioritized safety, equipping the c+pod with essential features such as collision avoidance, lane departure alerts, one of the key advantages of the c+pod is its affordability and low maintenance costs. As an electric vehicle, it significantly reduces running expenses compared to traditional gasoline cars. Toyota aims to make sustainable mobility accessible to a broader audience, and the c+pod is a step in that direction. The 2025 Toyota c+pod is expected to be a game-changer for urban transportation, offering a practical, eco-friendly, and cost-sanitative alternative to conventional vehicles. Whether you're looking for a smart city car or a secondary vehicle for short trips, the c+pod could be a perfect choice. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Vision for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.